Construction crews have been making progress at West Lyon Community School in northwest Iowa. They've been working there on a $32 million renovation project since mid-April, which will include add-ons and interior updates too. Some additions include a 700-seat auditorium, a new wrestling room, weight room, locker room, and 9 additional classrooms. A school principal tells us he's happy with how construction work is going so far.
The project has been certainly awesome. You know, I relate it to when you're redoing something in your house and you just have a project you live around, you work around. Teachers been flexible, everyone's been good to work with.
The school says the construction project is set to be complete by December of 2025.